The Sun is our solar system's only star. It provides light and energy to the planets surrounding it. In fact, we would not be alive if it were not for the Sun's presence. Having the largest size of any object in the solar system, its gravitational pull also keeps the planets in their respective orbits. So let us discuss some important information about this important star. Firstly, just how large is the Sun? Well, it spans about 1.4 million kilometers in diameter. For reference, over 100 copies of the Earth could fit along this. It also has a mass over 300 times greater than that of our Earth. The Sun, therefore, seems to be incredibly large, which it is. Despite this, outside our solar system, there are much larger stars. For example, the star Betelgeuse, being located about 600 light-years from us, has a massive diameter of around 1.2 billion kilometers. This is much larger than the Sun's diameter of 1.4 million kilometers. Now let us get back to our Sun. As you might know, it is incredibly hot. At its core, temperatures reach as high as 15 million degrees Celsius. Its surface is slightly cooler, having a temperature of around 5,500 degrees Celsius. This temperature, though, is still scorching. For the Sun's actual composition, we know it to be made of mainly hydrogen and helium, held together in a dense sphere due to the force of gravity. Because of its incredible heat, it exists in a state of matter called plasma. This is different from the main three states of matter you may be familiar with: solids, liquids, and gases. When a solid, say ice for instance, is heated, it will melt, transforming into a liquid. When this liquid is heated further, it turns into a gas. When we boil water, for instance, the bubbles we see are gas. Plasma, the fourth state of matter, occurs when a gas is heated to exceedingly high temperatures. Consequently, it also has an electrical charge. The Sun is made of 6 layers. In its very dense core, hydrogen atoms fuse together, forming helium. This is the most internal section of the Sun and is also the hottest due to the extreme amount of energy released by fusion. Next, there is the radiative zone, where, as the name suggests, energy radiates or travels outwards. This process is extremely slow, however. Next, there is the convective zone, known for swirling plasma that carries energy outwards, much quicker than in the radiative zone. The Sun also has a sort of atmosphere, composed of the photosphere, chromosphere, and the corona. The photosphere is the visible surface of the Sun. It's also where we see sunspots emerge. Next, there is the chromosphere, which is thought to be responsible for the Sun's color. The corona is the outermost layer of the Sun's atmosphere. While it has a low density, its high temperatures cause its particles to move quickly. In turn, many escape the Sun's gravity. This is called solar wind. In this video, we discussed some important features of the Sun. I hope you learned a lot. Thanks for watching.